Want to seamlessly track your website visitors and understand their every move? Today, we're diving into how to install Google Site Tag using Google Tag Manager, making your website analytics game strong. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account, the central hub for all your tracking needs. Navigate to the Tags section and click New to create a new tag. This is where we'll set up the Google Site Tag. You'll be prompted to choose a tag configuration. Click on it, and then select Google Site Tag from the list of available tag types. Next, you'll need your tag ID, which you can find in your Google Analytics account under Admin and then Data Streams or your Google Ads account. Simply copy it. Paste your tag ID into the corresponding field within the Google Site Tag configuration in Tag Manager. This tells Google where the data needs to go. Now, let's set up where this tag should fire. By selecting the triggering section, choose the trigger that applies to almost all pages by finding the pre-existing All Pages trigger. Ensure the trigger is set to All Pages to track every page. You give your tag a descriptive name like Google Site Tag All Pages and click Save. To make sure everything is working correctly, click Preview in Tag Manager. This way allows you to visit your website and make sure your tag is tracking after testing. Confirm and submit your Google Site Tag. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Google Site Tag. Now you're gaining key insights to tracking user data.